Alright, so let me show you what I'm looking for here. So the day's open was over here. Let's just draw it in. This is today's open. Let's make it a bit brighter. So because price at 8 AM was below that price, we are looking for a short position. We want to risk exactly 1,000, which is 1% of the starting balance in this account, and we wait for a close below wicks. So that actually should be the entry right there. And now we set the TP at a 1-to-1, and I like to cover commissions as well. So 1,056. There we go. And this is my early warning strategy, 1-to-1 risk to reward. I'm at the moment. I am at the moment just testing it on a demo account. Through backtesting, it seems very profitable, but in full testing, there is obviously spreads, commissions. The price can move between the moment the candle closes and the moment that you actually hit the order. So I'm testing it on demo for a while, just to see if I can get up to like the standard 10% profit that's needed to pass a challenge. And yeah, once I can sort of like consistently get that 10% mark, then I'll start applying this to some funded accounts. And let's put up the risk reward tool. So with commissions included, it's a 1-to-1, 1.04. With this particular strategy, I have one entry per day at most. Some days that doesn't come an entry. But yeah, every day, 8 AM to about 10 AM, I look for one entry. So just to make it a bit clearer again, what it is that I'm looking for. We have this price here, which is the opening price of the day, which is 10 PM the previous day. So this is the opening price of the day. If at 8 AM price is below this line, then we'll be looking for a short position. If at 8 AM price is above this line, we'll be looking for a long position. If we want to see some sort of structure, right? So here price obviously is going up, but we have this couple of red bars pull back, and then the green bars close above. Let's make this a bit bigger. And then these red bars create this little wick here. And when we see price close below these wicks, that gives us our entry. We put our stops above the most recent structure, and then our TPs at a 1-to-1. Let's see if this one comes down, hits TP this time. Today the trade did take quite a long time, about 2 hours 20 minutes. Sometimes it will take quite a while, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. But sometimes it can play out as quickly as like 10 minutes. It really just depends on how directional the market is on this day. As you can see today, we've really just consolidated since entering the trade. But sometimes you'll enter and it will just move straight to TP or straight up to stop loss. The strategy has roughly a 70% win rate. That is in the backtesting though. As I said earlier, swaps and commissions and just the latency between the time that you get your entry signal and the time that you actually click enter and the order gets placed on your chart. This might skew the data a little bit, which is why I'm forward testing it for now. Once I have some more affirmative data showing that it can be profitable in the live markets, then I'll start implementing it in a challenge account. Let's see if this bar can take us down to TP. And there we are. So that is the trade. It took hour and 20 minutes. No, 2 hours and 20 minutes, sorry. I'll go over the trade once more, just to reiterate the strategy. So we have our opening price at 10 PM the previous day, which is the start of the day. If at 8 AM the price is below the opening price, then we're looking for a short position. If price is above the opening price, then we're looking for a long position. And the entry signal is a close below the wicks of previous structure. So here, leading up to 8 AM, we were trending up. We got this pullback, and then a close above these red candles, and then we got another push down and red candles closing below the wicks of the previous red candles, and that gave us our entry. We put our stop loss above the previous red candles with a 1-to-1 risk to reward. As I said, sometimes it takes as little as 10 minutes to play out. Sometimes it might take as much as 5 hours to play out. Roughly 70% win rate according to the backtesting. If the explanation sucked, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any comments, let me know. I'll probably record every day this week, and then at the end of the week upload a video showing the results of all the trades that happened this week, because they won't all look like this. You know, they'll have some of them you might be entering in more of a continuation. This one is a bit more of a reversal from this pull. So yeah, I'll upload a video with a more comprehensive overview of all of the trades from this week.